Recognize the gentleman from Butler, Mr. Ellis, under unanimous consent.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. I just wanted to take the time today to acknowledge World Autism Day, April 2nd. As many of the members of the chamber know, I have a son on the spectrum, and today what we like to recommend everybody do is to light it up blue. And what that means is wear blue if you can, or if you have lights at your house that you can change blue. Thank you. Most of us in here deal with thousands of issues every year, but autistic families deal with this issue on a daily basis. And I think 10 years ago, a lot of us didn't know a lot about autism. My son was not diagnosed at that point. But I think what we've done here in Pennsylvania for families with autistic children and even autistic adults, and what the governor's proposing in the increase this year, shows a lot for how far we've come as a state. And I'm honored to be part of this General Assembly that acknowledges that. And I'm honored to be part of the autistic community. And I look forward for great things coming from this chamber to continue that cause. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.